Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge. Level 17. For this level, there are two files in our home directory, passwords.old and passwords.new. We need to retrieve the password for the next level, which is in passwords.new. And it is the only line that has been changed between passwords.old and passwords.new. Let's head over to the terminal. We have our files available. The command we will use to identify the differences between these two files will be the diff command. Diff compares files line by line, which is exactly what we need. So our command will be the following. So these are the contents that differ between the two files. Everything above the dashed line is from our first file, and everything below the dashed line is from our second file. Now, in the description for this level, it was indicated that our password would be in the passwords.new file. So this has to be our password. Now that we have found it, we will log out of this level by either typing logout, exit, or hitting Ctrl D. We want to log in to the next level with the password we just obtained. We successfully logged in, but we also were automatically logged out. However, this is not related to the current challenge, but is related to the next one. So keep tuned for our next video. Though, if we want to register our completion of level 17, we can do it in the following way, which will be a hint on how to crack the next level. Now, this command will output reachal, which will then be redirected, and SSH will pass it through to the server. The server will then execute this command, and after it will exit automatically, but we don't care about that. As long as it executes our command, we're more than happy. We copy and paste our password again. We successfully synchronized the completion of level 17 on our scoreboard. Let's head over to the reachal website to verify. We update. Congratulations on completing level 17. You rock. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.